Hi there, I'm Rusty Trending. And this Valentine's Day, I want you to understand that it's not always about chocolates, cards, and promises. It's about doing something nice. It's about doing something sweet for someone you care about. So why not take on something bigger? Why not take on a project? I've been repairing houses for over 25 minutes, and I can tell you that there may be signs and symptoms around your house of things that are starting to wear out. So why not get on top of it now? I mean, that special someone in your life and your wallet will thank you later. So let's take a look. Now, some of the symptoms of a worn out or older bathroom are tiles falling off and slicing your feet open while you're trying to shower. So in this situation, what we have is actually a new set of tiles that has been adhered to the older, possibly original set of tiles. And obviously we're missing a couple, so what we're going to do is we're just going to actually use the patented new 2V tile bonding system. And you've got your overly mushroomed tile separator here. What you're going to want to do is very carefully, just around the outside, just try to get about 1/4 to 5/16 of an inch clearance, just so you can get that bonding system in there. Here we've got, looks just over 1/4 inch, but that's okay, we can work with that. And make sure any of the older glue has already been removed from around at least the exposed area, because the bonding system isn't going to work too well with that stuff there. Now, once you have your bonding system, you want to make sure that the applicator tip is just pointing out so that you're able to get to it. And you're just going to get that into your gap there. Obviously the old glue is going to cause a bit of a resistance, but that's okay. So now that we've got that in there, we're ready to use the micro torch, and voila.
Bing Bong is on his way. It was just a dream. It was just a dream. Whew. Whew. Oh. Regular routines. Regular routines. Work. Real life. My piss smells extra championship-esque.